Are you new to the iPhone? Or simply just switched over from an older iPhone model, such as the iPhone 7 or 8 that still has the home button with Touch ID, to a newer one, such as this one that has the edge-to-edge display and no home button at all, and you really need help using it? I'm here to help you with 10 gestures that you must know and use on your iPhone. But before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of content and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So starting off, the first gesture is swipe up to unlock. And I believe this is a gesture that you're going to use the most on your iPhone. So simply swipe up from the bottom of the display towards the top. If you have Face ID enabled, it's going to unlock automatically. If you don't have it, it's going to ask for your unlock passcode. You will simply put your passcode and it will unlock. Something else you can do is swipe your finger across the bottom of the screen to switch between open applications. So simply swipe right to access the open applications, and then if you swipe left, you will simply go back to the previous one. If you want to return home, simply swipe up to exit the application. And if by any chance you want to access the app switcher and check all of the applications that you currently have open, simply swipe up from the bottom and pause for a second, and all of the cards will pop up. So let me do it again. Swipe up, pause for a second, and all of the apps are going to pop up. If you want to close an open application, simply position your finger in the middle of the app, tap, and slide up. So just do this and you will close the application that is currently open. Now let's go back to the home screen, and here you can simply tap anywhere. So tap here and you'll go back to the home screen. And if by any chance you want to move an application, simply tap and hold on the app, tap on Edit Home Screen, and now you will see that the applications started shaking, jiggling actually. This will allow you to tap, hold, and move the app to the position that you want. So I will move this application. So the only thing that I need to do is tap, hold, move, and drop it. When you're done moving your apps, simply tap on done, and that's it. Now let's say that you want to delete an application instead of moving. You're gonna do something similar, but you simply press on delete app. So tap and hold on the application that you would like to delete, tap on remove app, and then tap on delete app. Now there is another gesture that I'm pretty sure that you're gonna use a lot on your iPhone, and it is the screenshot gesture. So let's say that you're scrolling on Instagram and you saw something that you really like and you want to take a screenshot of it. Simply press on the side button and the volume up button at the same time, and that's it. You have your screenshot. By tapping on it, of course, you open your screenshot and you have a few options right here. You can annotate on the screenshot, you can share, or you can tap done. By pressing done, you have these options right here. You can save to photos, save to files, save to quick note. You can copy and delete, or you can delete screenshot. Sometimes I will share it and then delete, but I will now just delete it. So a lot of controls available for you. Gesture number 9, access the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the display to access all of these controls. Here, as you can see, you have a lot of different options. You can change the volume, you can control the airplane mode, cellular data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can open the camera app, open the calculator. There are different controls on the control center. Also, if you go to settings, you can choose which controls you want to see on the control center. I did show you how to do this in another video, in which I also have a lot of iPhone tips and tricks, so make sure to watch that as well in case you're interested in learning more. But right now, I'm gonna go back to the calculator, and as I just showed you in the beginning of the video, if you want to return home, simply swipe up. And last but not least, regarding notifications, if by any chance you want to check your past notifications on the home screen, you can simply swipe down from the top left corner of the display. So let's swipe down, and here you have all of your past notifications. And if by any chance you are on the lock screen, you can do the same thing by swiping up. So simply swipe up and all of your past notifications will pop up. And these are 10 essential gestures that you must know and use on your iPhone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.